Hi, I'm Adriene with Premier Trailer Leasing, and this Maintenance Minute starts now. When it comes to choosing the right suspension system for your trailers, the debate between air ride and spring ride has long been a topic of discussion. In this Maintenance Minute, we'll explore the key differences and advantages of each, as well as why Premier Trailer Leasing specs air ride suspensions. This will highlight the benefits of both options so you can make an informed decision. Air ride suspension systems offer flexibility and a smoother ride for your cargo and your driver. By utilizing airbags and shock absorbers, they provide enhanced shock absorption, reducing the impact of bumps and vibrations on your cargo. But it's not just about cargo protection, it's about driver comfort. On the other hand, spring ride suspension systems are known for their simplicity and durability. With leaf springs and mechanical components, they can offer robust performance too. It's a classic choice with proven reliability. So, which one is right for you? Consider the nature of your cargo and the routes you frequently travel. Air ride suspensions are well suited for fragile or delicate loads, where a smoother ride is crucial. Trailers equipped with them give you lots of flexibility, and they excel both on highways and well-maintained roads. On the flip side, spring ride may be a good option if you own your own fleet and are hauling less fragile goods consistently or operating in off-road conditions. But here's the kicker. Premier Trailer Leasing believes in giving you the best of both worlds. Air ride suspensions enhance driver comfort, which leads to safer and happier drivers. They align with shipper preferences, ensuring your partners are satisfied. Plus, they contribute to reduced tire wear, saving you money in the long run. We invest more in our trailers to ensure that our customers can meet 100% of their customer needs. Don't forget, if you have any questions, just reach out. We're always here to help.